5 on Oh, Cheetos.
Doritos. Peanuts.
Wow.
Cookies. All right.
Salsa and queso Cheetos. Fine.
Oh, yummy.
So
Ooh,
where
I
should
don't
we
think I've
start?
ever had those.
We start at,
The Cheetos up at the
yeah,
top?
let's do this.
Okay. I'll hand you the money. You get the stuff, and I'll put it in here.
Okay. All right. We better just let them fall. We're going to be opening that door forever.
Hey, this is good. A lot of stuff is just $1, so we can just put in $1 and we don't have to worry about change.
Look at that.
I wonder how many are in a row. This could take a while.
You know, Bonnie.
Yeah, no! Hey, no. What are you doing? Trying to, I mean, I know you hate to give our listeners anything you haven't tried.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Garden salsa. We don't overheat this.
Good. Garden salsa.
Boy, apparently people don't buy more than one of these at once.
Not normally. I did it. Don't break the machine.
Yeah, I did too many at once.
Yeah, I told you not to do that.
All right.
Oh, man. Oh, don't get delayed.
There we go.
They'll be smashed.
We should tell people we're at Habitat for Humanity, cleaning out their vendo land. We've put a lot of money in there already.
I know. Oh, it rejected it. Didn't like my money.
I got a picture of Art Linkletter on there. That's no good.
Well, I'd try it. Oh, this one looks a little warm.
Where's the meeting room? Staff only?
Yeah.
You got it. How long will that last?
Uh-oh. Bank shot didn't work. Oh. All right, we're going to go give out some free food.
Hey, want some treats? Sure. Have whatever you like.
Thank you.
You bet. There you go. You bet.
Let's go. Come over. You guys look hungry. Free treats.
Have some treats. You bet.
Decisions. Good choice.
Here?
Yep. Door. Should we have knocked? Yeah.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi there. We just raided your vending machine.
Yeah.
So free
We
snacks
have
for everybody.
prizes.
Take what you like. Good to see you again. In fact, we're not even done yet, but this is about half of it.
Hi, how are you?
Seriously, take some treats.
All right. Treats for everyone.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, thank you.
You bet. Somebody said, how important are these meetings? That doesn't matter.
Thank you.
You bet.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Thank you.
Hi. You're welcome.
You look good with the grocery
Yeah,
cart.
You might want to take two, they're small.
Thank you.
You bet.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
There you go.
She's walking around and you.
All right.
Anyway. Well, have a nice meeting.
All right. Just pretend like we weren't here.
Yeah, you weren't here. You can get these guys while you're here. I also think they aren't getting any.
We just raided your vending machine.
Yeah, I heard on the radio. I had no idea it was going to be
Have
here.
whatever you want.
That's crazy. Thank you.
You bet.
Really appreciate it.
Free food.
Like, oh, there's no way it's going to be here. Thank you.
You bet.
Awesome.
Go this way.
Thanks, guys.
Take whatever you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe we should put one on each desk.
We could do that.
Hey, free treats. We just raided your vendo land, so take whatever you want.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
How are you? Thank you.
You bet.
You're welcome.
Have a treat.
Little something for you there.
Nice.
In fact, this isn't even half done yet. We still got to go back and raid the rest of it.
Thank you. What are you guys up to?
We just feel like going around raiding people's vending machines.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
It takes a long time to get them out of there.
Yeah. It does.
Suppose we better put some on some desks.
We'll do that. I'll go back and put some on these ones back here.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can just see this. Who got chips on my iPad? And we just raided your vendo land and we got free things for you, so there you go.
Awesome.
Take whatever you like. Thank you. You bet.
Here, I got one. I got it. Okay.
It's really great. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Did we need to go down that other hall?
I didn't know there was another hall.
No. I thought there was one over there. I thought maybe you were going in the bathroom for a minute.
No, I was just waiting for you to get the door.
Let me get the door for you, Dan.
Yeah, I want to go in the bathroom. Let's
See if there's anybody in
see if
there.
there's a guy in here.
He'll go anywhere.
Yeah, the plumber was in there working on this stuff.
Good job, Dan. Good job.
Hi there. We just raided your vendo land and bought everything and we're giving them out. You
Free.
take whatever you want.
Chili cheese for you.
All right. It's free.
Darn customers.
Free food.
Sure.
What would you like?
Take what
We're
you
down
what's
to
there.
Cheetos and Fritos and potato chips. All right,
Yeah.
there you go.
Salsa. Queso.
Ooh.
Hey, we go first class.
Yeah, I had my eye on that.
Oh, do I need to reach for it?
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi
Did you
there.
guys get your food?
I don't know. I don't know if we did.
If you,
Yes. Looks
there
like
you
we
go.
did.
Good job.
Somebody took care of you.
Well, we timed that out about
I think
right.
we're going to
Look
have
at
to
that.
go refill.
3 left.
He's having way too much fun. Did you turn the light on in there?
It automatically went on.
Oh, okay. It's gonna say, shut it off. All right, so now we're out of food. We gotta go get more food.
I gotta go get more.
We gotta go get more food.
Got money?
I got money.
All right.
You got cards?
We probably should get a real job one of these days, Bonnie.
Why?
Yes. No cheese cracker.
Oh. Huh? Oh, they're just
They're different, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I need another quarter.
Oh,
These don't grow on trees. I need another quarter.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know this was going to be an all-day project.
Yeah, boy, this is harder than it sounded.
Yeah. Ooh, did you see what flavor these were? BLT. I've never had that.
Uh-oh. Hey,
Did you
we're...
break it? Does he need sustenance? That's what you need.
The guy's coming to fix the bathroom. I met him over there in the men's room, and I was going to the
Well, did you get him some food?
Yeah, we got treats for you.
Oh, there.
He hasn't washed his hands.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there goes.
Is your money blowing away?
It spit it back out. It just went flying. You didn't even hang on to it.
Look at this.
Now what are you going to do? Don't break it.
Watch. Watch it.
It's stuck. It's stuck in the thing. It's not coming out.
Got it.
Don't break it.
What, did they tilt the machine now or something?
Yeah, see, now it won't give you anything.
Oh, okay, credit $1.
You have to be smarter than the machine. I?
Hit it. No. Everything out of it.
I'm so hungry. Thank
There you go, you bet.
Your face.
Yeah, we got some over here.
Looks like we better go over one more round, huh?
Yep. Hi. We got treats for you.
We raided your vendor land. We bought everything out of the machine. I thought of it. So, have a treat.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
You're welcome.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Will do.
Okay, now watch Bonnie's technique here.
We raided their vending machine and bought everything. We're giving it away free. So would you like a treat? Sure.
Thank you.
Help yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy shopping.
Thank you.
Smooth. Very smooth.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think that's it.